of the Pacific. We won it before, but now the front line's in the corridor. A little China-bound doodad with a rotating brush makes the Pentagon nervous, makes the senators blush. It hoovers the carpets and maps every wall. The State Department says that's a national call. Oh, no more robot broom from the eastern sky. It's a dust-up of the century, my little robot spy. They'll map your living room and steal your pie. No more Chinese rolling Hoover, my oh my. Remember the days when we feared a red spy? Now it's a whirring contraption with a roving eye. I only eat cat fur, the little motor lied. But Congress sees a Trojan horse on the living room side. It will phone to Shanghai the position of your chair and the exact GPS of your underwear. So swing with your mop and swing with your broom. Let's liberate the baseboards of every room. No microchip shall know if your sofa's on the left. We'll clean with our own sweat, by golly, and we'll save democracy from theft. Oh, no more robot broom from the eastern sky. It's a dust-up of the century, my little robot spy. They'll map your living room and steal your pie. No more Chinese rolling Hoover, my oh my. So wave your mops like flags, let the dust bunnies dance. The only foreign object in our homes is second-hand romance. Hail to the electric cord, the bucket and the rag, for a clean American floor, a righteous, dust-free flag.